Hi guys, this is Vijay and I hope you're doing well. Today I am going to talk about multiple choice question on basics of thermodynamics or physics. Let us start with question number 1. General gas equation is option A PV equal to nRT, option B PV equal to mRT, option C PV equal to constant, and option D PV equal to kRT. So the right answer is option B PV equal to mRT, where P is pressure, V is volume, M is mass, R is gas characteristic constant, and T means temperature. By using this equation we can calculate any of the property of gases, and this law is applicable for any of the perfect gas. It is also called ideal gas equation. Question number 2. According to Dalton's law, the total pressure of the mixture of gases is equal to option A greater of the partial pressure of all, option B average of the partial pressure of all, option C sum of the partial pressure of all, and option D sum of the partial pressure of all divided by average molecular weight. So in chemistry and physics, Dalton's law, also called Dalton law of partial pressures, state that in a mixture of non-reacting gases, the total pressure exerted is equal to the sum of the partial pressures of individual gases. So the right answer is option C, sum of the partial pressure of all. Question number 3. Which of the following variables control the physical property of a perfect gas? Option A pressure, option B temperature, option C volume, option D all of the above. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. So pressure, volume and temperature, these are the variable control the physical property of a perfect gas. So the right answer is option D. Question number 4. Which of the following laws is applicable for the behavior of a perfect gas? Option A Boyle's law, option B Charles law, option C Gay-Lussac law, option D all of the above. So these all are the law A, B and C, Boyle's law, Charles law and Gay-Lussac law. They are applicable for perfect gases. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 5. The unit of temperature in SI unit is option A centigrade, option B Celsius, option C Fahrenheit, option D Kelvin. We know that in SI unit the temperature is measured in Kelvin. So the right answer is option D. Question number 6. According to Gay-Lussac law, for a perfect gas, the absolute pressure of given mass varies directly as option A temperature, option B remains constant if volume and temperature are kept constant, option C absolute temperature if volume is kept constant, option D volume if temperature is kept constant. According to Gay-Lussac law, the pressure exerted by a gas is proportional to the temperature of the gas when the mass is fixed and the volume is constant. So Gay-Lussac law will follow P proportional to T. So the right answer is option C. Question number 7. Temperature of a gas is produced due to option A its heating value, option B kinetic energy of molecules, option C repulsion of molecules, option D attraction of molecules. The temperature of the gas is produced by the movement of the gas molecules. Stationary gas molecules would be at 0 Kelvin, and faster the molecules move, higher would be the temperature. Hence we conclude that temperature of the gas is produced by kinetic energy of the molecules. So temperature of the gas is produced due to kinetic energy of the molecules. Question number 8. According to kinetic theory of gases, the absolute zero temperature is attained when option A volume of the gas is 0, option B pressure of the gas is 0. Option C, kinetic energy of the molecules is 0. Option D, specific heat of gas is 0. We have already discussed in question number 7, the temperature of the gas is due to kinetic energy of the gases. So the right answer is kinetic energy of the molecules is 0. So according to kinetic theory of gases, the absolute zero temperature is attained when kinetic energy of the molecules is 0. Question number 9. Kinetic theory of gases assume that the collisions between the molecules are option A, perfectly elastic, option B, perfectly inelastic, option C, partially elastic, option D, partially elastic and partially inelastic. So the right answer is perfectly elastic. According to kinetic theory of gases, the collision between the molecules are assumed perfectly elastic. Question number 10. Absolute zero pressure will occur. Option A, at sea level. Option B, at the center of the earth. Option C, when molecules momentum of the system becomes 0. Option D, under vacuum condition. So the right answer is option C, when molecular momentum of the system becomes 0. We know that momentum equal to mass into velocity, and according to the second law of Newton, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force. So when the momentum is 0, so the force is also become 0, and we know that pressure equal to force upon area, so pressure is also become 0. So absolute zero pressure will occur when molecular momentum of the system becomes 0.